What a shot. Oh, it's like looking in a mirror. Oh my god. What is it? It's, yes. Is that me from another dimension? I don't know. Oh my dog. Oh. God. It's like oh my god. Is this like Inception? That I'm a golden retriever looking at another golden retriever? Oh my god. Oh, who are you? Please answer me. Oh, yes. What is that? Sniff snuff. I've lost attention because now I notice something else. Oh, no. I want to go. I still want to follow that doggy around. Yes, it might be my mommy. Maybe that golden retriever is my mommy. Oh, yes. Oh no. Yes. I want to have a family reunion now. No, don't leave me. No. Oh, you're going the same direction. Cool. I'm going to find out if you're really my mommy. No, I want pets now. Oh, Blue's Clues was here. Oh. Is school in session? Are humans going to come out and play on the playground? Yes, I'm losing interest in the other golden retriever. And there's another dog over there. Is it Sherpy? It looks like Sherpy, maybe. Oh. I am outrunning you, other retriever. I am outrunning you. And now I'm going to meet Sherpy. Maybe. Yep, there he is. And now, what is no... Uh-oh. Oh, does he want to play, maybe, perhaps?
Dog, say hi to your dog.
Yes. Oh, it is Sherpy. Hello, Sherpy. I'm Jocks. Yes. Sniff snuff. Golden retrievers like to sniff snuff. The goldenest retriever. Oh. Woo! Oh no, we're getting tangled. What? Oh, it's the golden retriever. Cool. Oh, what's this? These boxes. I'll sniff snuff them. Here. I'll sniff snuff boxes. No! I want to see that retriever. Jax, not all doggies want to play with you. No! All golden retrievers want to play with all golden retrievers. Look, see that? Yes? I bet you would be interested in doing that with me too. Yes. Are you afraid of